Welcome in everyone, you are joining me at Operation Black Rhino at OXCC in Maryland. Today we have two teams, the FBI and the cartel, fighting for drugs, guns, and money on the US-Mexico border. As you can see on the map, the FBI base is located in Southern California and the cartel base is located in the Chihuahua, Mexico desert. Our first objective was to secure the border and wait further orders, missions to come over the radio. By the time I got back to camp to reload and switch weapons, they already found the first objectives, which was 2 ammo crates. First weapon. Oh, we got both. After that, we got our second objective, which was to raid a meth lab located in El Paso. I gathered a hazmat team of 4 white suits to gather evidence and any drugs that might be on site. We then joined up with a couple of squads and started our way to El Paso.
Protect hazmat at all times. They can only get shot once.
Get shot once.
Fire pace secure. Alright, we gotta get you guys there to the barrels. You guys take cover. Yeah, you can. Alright, ready? Let's go, go, go.
Right there, right there.
Get in there, get in there, get in there. Go, 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 go. Hazmat team is in the building, repeat. Hazmat team is in the building. You're good, you're good.
Yeah, they're pushing hard out that way. Yep. They're wrapping around the marina.
Watch marina side.
Gator Cowboy, you guys got me?
Hazmat team coming through. Cowboy hat. They're securing. Make sure he's good, make sure he's good.
There's a wood barn on the right side. Get it. Yeah. Straight out. Off the corner. Wait. Right off your 12.
No, no. You guys secure anything in there? No. Nothing.
I do deal with meth already.
Anyone have a radio?
Yeah, what's up?
I want a radio back asking what exactly we're looking for.
Anybody have an idea what we're looking for in the meth lab? Bags?
Explain to me what's going on right now. I need like a third point of view.
We spawn on like a point
No, you go back to one of the tents. Yeah, tent. Yeah.
So listen to us. Literally blue is secured meth lab right now.
Hey, let this
We are
ever
just
be
sitting
lit
here
for
getting
you?
shot at by you guys.
So I'm trying to find out. Meth lab is blue, yes, but we do not know what to secure inside of here.
I'm in Legoland right now, dug into a position. There are no cartel over here, except the ones coming from the respawn. We have Legoland completely secure.
Okay.
So once we secured the quote-unquote meth lab, we started searching the area for any kind of drugs or paraphernalia. Turns out we were in the entirely wrong location. We were told to go to El Paso, when in reality, the meth lab was located in Phoenix. So we were raiding the wrong building and looking for any evidence at all. I started digging underneath leaves, checking between barrels, checking in like tree stumps, anything I could turn over, I essentially checked. This whole time we were getting shot up by the cartel. We were constantly having firefights with them, and we could find absolutely nothing besides trash. Eventually we were able to get their commander over, who say whatever wasn't strapped to the ground, just take, and essentially that was just a bunch of bricks. So we packed those up in evidence bags and prepared to move to bring all this quote-unquote evidence back to HQ.
We gotta get these guys out of here.
Are you guys secure?
Set up a perimeter on the right side.
Brick doesn't fit in my bag.
I wish I could touch it.
Hey, this is the only thing that was here.
I know, but you clearly can't touch it.
Fingerless gloves. Again. Is that it?
Guys, hurry up, they're moving up.
Secure the right. They're pushing the right really hard. All right. Get. Hazmat team, go.
Get them right. Get them right. Go. Got him. That one.
Go. The meth.
Go, wrong side.
Stay with the team, Hazmat. Go. Get cover, at least something. This is yours?
No.
So after a lot of confusing communication, for some reason we sent the hazmat team to, I'm sorry for this pronunciation, Rancho La Pera? Oof. We sent the hazmat team up there to collect evidence, and obviously there was no evidence, so now we were deep in enemy territory with all the evidence we had beforehand. So after securing the area, I decided to guide the hazmat team back against a couple different people's orders.
Can we cross the bridge? I hope so. Guys are good. Come on, Hot Pink. Sorry. Trying to keep you guys alive.
Just stay back here and push into the airfield.
You don't need to. If you wanted to reload or anything, you can come back with the HQ with us. But it's really up to you. We got enough men to, I want at least one man per hazmat member, so we have at least like 5 or 6.
I got a hazmat team and the remaining evidence back to HQ. Sadly, upon our arrival, it was discovered that we just brought back normal bricks and not any evidence at all, so this mission was deemed a failure.
Yeah, Raymond's commanding officer.
Thank you guys for watching today though. I'm going to be splitting up this event by missions. So this was just the first 2 missions since they were relatively short. I'll be coming out with more videos for each mission as we go. Give me some time. There's like 5 hours worth of footage, so I've been editing as much as I can, whenever I can. And like with the holidays and everything happening, it's been a little bit hectic. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day.